Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a new video of me making my own tornado interceptor and build island. Now I've built these specific, I made some right now. I made heavy one interceptor, and this is what it was like, the vehicle that they used. I have UV1, I have this interceptor, which is knock, and I'm making a new one, which I also am gonna make in my playground. So stay tuned for my new videos. So it's like TIV 2, but you can see it's a bit longer, and it will have flaps as well, and yeah, it might be amazing. Alright, let's just edit this. Fast forward. Alright, this is day 1 of making this interceptor. I did the side flaps, and the next day, comment down below what I should add next.